Ordered the sofa from IKEA store. The delivery charges were less as compared to the online ordering, and it took about a week. There are two boxes. The larger one is of 5.5 feet length and 3 feet height, and the smaller one is of 3.5 feet length and approximately 2 feet height. Store has given 48 hours. If there is any problem, we can return the sofa. So the delivery was pretty good. They informed us 24 hours beforehand, and while coming also they called us. They have given the time frame also, so it was really good. So this is the sitting area, and you will find all the bowls and everything attached to this sitting area. Okay. The back of the sofa and made up of wood. These are the hand stands. The guide is very easy, and with the help of the screwdriver the sofa is assembled. So we have to assemble the sofa like this.